YouTube Shorts creators can now start earning up to $10,000 per month with viral videos. Starting this month, YouTubers in select countries can vie for a piece of the $100 million YouTube Shorts fund if their creations rise to the top of the heap of the most viral clips. Every month, YouTube says it will select thousands of eligible creators to claim a payment from the fund, which marks the first step in its efforts to monetize the short-form, TikTok-like video feature. Creators who meet the criteria can make anywhere from $100 to $10,000 based on viewership and engagement of their shorts, which can be up to 60 seconds in length. If you want to know how to earn money on YouTube Shorts, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the newest way to earn money via YouTube Shorts. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, your #1 channel for the best tips and tricks to earning a passive income, from doing surveys to selling books on Google Play. This channel will inform you on making the best decision to earn money in your free time. Remember, earning money isn't about becoming rich, but creating a better life for yourself. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content, and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. Let's get started. The $100 million YouTube Shorts Fund will be distributed through the remainder of 2021 and into 2022. YouTube says it will notify creators who qualify for a bonus payment from the Shorts Fund the second week of each month in the YouTube app. They will then have until the 25th of the month to claim the bonus payment before it expires. YouTube Shorts launched globally last month after earlier rollouts in the US and other countries, latching onto the huge popularity of ByteDance's TikTok app, which also has been copied in Instagram's Reels and Snapchat's Spotlight. Google says YouTube Shorts has quickly become a worldwide hit. The feature now generates more than 15 billion global daily views, up from 6.5 billion in March, Alphabet/Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced last week. For now, only creators in 10 countries are eligible to receive YouTube Shorts Fund payments: the US, UK, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Russia, and South Africa. We plan to expand eligibility to more countries/regions soon, YouTube says. All of a creator's YouTube Shorts videos will count toward their Shorts performance each month that they receive views, not just the month they were uploaded. The bonus payment amounts will be adjusted based on a channel's total Shorts performance and their audience's location. The level of performance needed to qualify for a bonus payment may differ between creators, based on audience location for example, and may change from month to month due to fluctuations in audience location and the number of creators making shorts, YouTube says. With the launch of the Shorts Fund, creators now have 10 different ways to make money on YouTube. In addition, the YouTube Partner Program for ad revenue sharing, those are revenue sharing from YouTube Premium, channel memberships, Super Chat, Super Stickers, Super Thanks, merchandise sales, concert ticketing, and YouTube Brand Connect, previously known as FameBit, to connect creators with sponsors. YouTube has evolved from being just a place where people upload and share videos, Robert 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞, YouTube's chief business officer, wrote in a blog post today. It's now a destination where creators can find new audiences, connect with fans in different ways, and build growing businesses. To qualify for payouts from the Shorts Fund, channels must have uploaded at least one eligible short in the last 180 days. They also must conform to YouTube's community guidelines, copyright rules, and monetization policies. In addition, creators must be 13 or older in the US, or the age of majority in their country/region, and must accept terms of the program and link to an active Google AdSense account to receive the bonus payments. How do I qualify for the Shorts Fund? Each month, YouTube will notify thousands of Shorts creators to claim a bonus from the Shorts Fund based on their channel's Shorts performance in the previous month. A channel's Shorts will count toward their monthly performance each month viewers watch them, not just the month they were uploaded. There's no specific performance threshold to qualify for a bonus. The level of performance needed to qualify for a bonus payment may change from month to month based on various factors, including the location of your viewers and the overall growth of Shorts. Your channel's Shorts performance is reviewed every month, so even if you don't qualify one month, you may qualify the next. How do I get my bonus payment from AdSense? To claim a bonus and get paid, qualifying creators need to make sure an approved and active AdSense account is linked to their channel. If you already have an AdSense account, you'll get your bonus payment with any other monthly YouTube earnings. Setting up AdSense for the first time. If you qualify for a Shorts bonus but don't yet have an AdSense account, we'll help you get started. From the bonus notification email or in-app notifications, select Claim Bonus to go to the Shorts Fund page in YouTube Studio. 1. Under Step 1, select Start to accept the bonus terms. 2. Under Step 2, select Start to set up your AdSense account. 3. When asked if you have an existing AdSense account, choose No, I need to create one. 4. Select Continue to go to AdSense. 5. Choose the Google account to use for AdSense. Note, if you already use AdSense for other reasons outside of YouTube, sign into the Google account used with your existing AdSense account. 6. Accept terms, select Create account. 7. Enter your address, select Submit. Once you've created your AdSense account, more instructions on how to complete your AdSense profile will be sent to you. These include submitting necessary tax info, confirming your personal details are correct, and indicating a method of payment. Tag products in your Shorts. Did you know you can also tag products in YouTube Shorts? This is how. If you are a part of the pilot to tag products featured in your videos, you can also tag products featured in your Shorts. Earning revenue from tagging products in your Shorts works in the same way as it does for tagging products in your videos. To tag a product in your Shorts, you will be required to follow the same steps as you would to tag a product in your video content. At this time, product tagging is only possible via Studio on desktop. On Shorts, only one product tag displays to viewers, whereas on standard video up to 30 tagged products can show in the product list. Therefore, if you tag multiple products, viewers will only see the first product in the tagged list. Viewers will see a product card at the bottom of their screen that they can tap to visit the products page to see more details and start shopping. Product tags will not serve on Shorts if there is any music or claimed content in the short. That concludes today's video on how to make money using YouTube Shorts. It depends on you to explore and research in depth on how you can apply this to your income source. If you end up using this method of earning money, let us know in the comments section down below on how it's working out for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on how to earn money via YouTube Shorts.